Okay, so today I'm going to quickly share with you a free open source solution that you can use to host your online meetings, events for free. Um, that we just worked on with a couple of my colleagues. So basically, it's based on an existing solution already, which is Jitsi. But with a couple of my colleagues, my friends, we sat and then yeah, we just had to customize and do a few other things, and that just to suit our needs. So basically, it's accessible on the following URL. So it's meetup.livingopensource.africa. Just give it a couple of minutes or seconds to load the page. I think the internet that I'm using is a bit slow, so that's the reason it's taking a bit longer to okay. Check. Okay, anyway, it's loaded already. So yeah, basically it as you see, it's fully secured, end-to-end encryption. No one is monitoring your videos and things like that. So it's a great solution. You can use it. It's free, available to the general public. So basically, on how to go about it. So if you need to start a meeting, you've got this option here where you just need to type any secured name. That would be a meeting name. So to create a meeting or anything that I need to create, as long as it's an online thing that I need to meet up with my workmates or schoolmates or anything like that. So I'll type for example, Linux training. Okay. Then as soon as I do that, it will redirect me to the meeting room. So let me just give it a few seconds to take me to the meeting room. Okay, so I just need to enable the mic that I'm using, the few plugins. So once you log in, to ask you for the first time, to ask you to enter your name. So basically, I'll just key in my name there, Chidi Santos. Okay. So as you can see right now, I'm in the meeting. No need to, you don't need to sign up for anything. No confirmations or anything. So it's straightforward. You open the URL and then you have create a meeting, takes you in there. So once you have your meeting created, you've got all these features here. What you just need to do is you can copy this link. This is your meeting room link that you need to send it to your colleagues or whoever you need to send it. So once you send it to them, they can just paste it in the browser and then it will straight take them to the meeting room. So it's got some options. You can raise your hand in a case of that maybe during the meeting you want to ask a question and things like that. If you click this one here, it will notify the administrator or the meeting creator that someone is raising a hand. And then you've got the message bar here, which you can type hello world. So basically here people in the meeting can chat, can have another conversation. You've got this option also to share your screen. So it will ask you for which window you want to share here. if I need to share my terminal to the participants or people that are part of the meeting. So that's basically what I'll do. And when I do this, as you can see, my screen is visible to the end users or to the end participants of the meeting. If I need to stop sharing, I can come over here, or I can come over here, this, or yeah, I can just stop by clicking there or closing the page, the tab. Or if I don't want to do it, I can come straight here and stop sharing the meeting, the screen. Other options that the application has is you've got a few other options here. If you see, you can do a live streaming, Facebook as well as YouTube. So basically on YouTube, you just paste your link there of your channel, YouTube channel. Anyway, once you do a sharing, people who are connected to your YouTube channel, they will have access to the meeting that is currently going on, or an event, whatever you're hosting online. You can change the video quality here depending on your internet bandwidth. If you have a poor internet connectivity, you can adjust using these options here. You've got good internet, just leave it on high definition so that you can have a better quality of your meeting. So you've got a few other options here. If you need to grant your webcam or everything that you just need to allow by the application to be accessed, you can do it from there. Here you can add a password to your meeting to avoid strangers or uninvited people to join your meeting. You can add a password to your meetings so that as you send your link, you share that same password that will allow participants or anyone to join your meeting room. So also there's a shortcut here which allows you to copy the meeting room link, which you may need later to send to your participants or meeting attendants. You've got this option here for video viewing, which allows you to share your camera, enabling the mic. We've got just some additions, our logos, and then currently Infratel as a telecoms company or a local data center here in Zambia, where the application is sitting for the sake of promoting our local telecoms as well as data center solutions providers. So you can check on their website, Infratel, if you need to know more or get more information about who they are. Yeah, so basically this is all what I wanted to talk about today in this video. I'm looking forward to share more videos as well as basic Linux courses or trainings and things like that. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Cheers.